Subscribe to the Minor Detective channel, also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. We all love to hear music in our phones, don't we? And the best way to feel the music is with an earphone. So what's up guys, this is Kushal here, and today I'm back with another video, and in this video I have the Mi earphone basics, which I'll be reviewing in this video. So without any further ado, let's get the show going. This is the Mi earphone basics. Well, this is a pretty cheap earphone by Xiaomi, which priced as 399 rupees. And you can buy it from Amazon or from the Mi store. And the Best Buy link will be provided in the description below, in case if you wanna buy it. But there is a thing you must know. That is, they're saying that it costs only 399 rupees. But overall with the delivery charge, it will cost you 340 to 350 rupees. So the box packaging of this earphone is quite simple. And it comes the white little box, which is really small. And on the front side, you will see the Mi earphone basics written in the box. On the back side, you will see the price tagging, which is printed as 599 rupees and some barcodes. On the both sides of the box, there is just Mi logo printed, and there is nothing fancy about the box. So enough of the box, let's get the earphone out of the box. In the box, first you get the earphone itself, which is quite lightweight, and the wires are rubberized. After that, you will get some extra ear tips with it, which is quite surprising at this price point, because back then, Mi earphone used to come with only earphones itself, and the price was also higher than this one. And now they decreased the price, also it comes with some extra ear tips. Well, you get 3 types of ear tips, which are small, medium and large sized. And the quality of the ear tips are really good, although it's a little bit of slippy. Okay, so let's talk about its design and the build quality. Well, the design of this earphone is ergonomic. It's very comfortable for long time usage. You won't feel any pain in your ears. You just have to choose the correct ear tips. Also, it doesn't fall off easily while walking or running. And I really like the design of this earphone. It's well polished. Talking about the build quality is really good at this price point. It's got an aluminum sound chamber. Also, it's got some textures in it to provide better in-hand feel. Although the wire is just like the other earphones, it's just normal rubberized wire. And it's not that durable, so use it carefully. Also, the wire is not flat type, so it's not tangle free. It's get tangled easily whenever you put in your pocket or in your drawers maybe. And it's got an inline microphone to take calls with a dedicated multifunctional button. And it's fully made out of plastic, but you won't feel cheap while holding it. It feels really good when you press the button or hold it. And the end of the wire, you get the 3.5mm jack. As you can see, Xiaomi has upgraded their design and now it comes with the L-shaped jack. But I don't think the wire will last for a long time, because whenever you use it with your phone, the end of the wire gets bended easily. Moving on to the main thing now, which is the sound quality of this earphone. Well, I must say the sound quality of this earphone is fabulous. I didn't feel any distortion while using these earphones. But when it arrived, I first checked with a Zolo phone, which I had, and I was quite disappointed about the sound quality of this earphone, because the sound was not so clear. Also, I was getting sound distortion with medium volume. But when I tested with the Redmi Note 5 Pro, I was quite surprised about its sound quality. It was really good. The bass was deep and clear, also the mids and the highs were clear, and loudness of the earphone was pretty high. Also, I tried this earphone with the Mi equalizer, and I found Mi Comfort Profile as the best. So if I have to rate the sound quality of this earphone, I would rate it 9 out of 10. But in order to feel the sound quality of this earphone, your phone audio output has to be good, else you won't feel the difference. Also, the mic quality is quite okay, but don't expect it to be a noise cancellation mic. It's a basic earphone, so there is no noise cancellation. It captures pretty much background noises, but you can use it for calls and for online chatting. It's pretty loud. So if you're looking for a good quality earphones under 400 to 500 rupees, then this would be the best for you. Because it's got a good quality sound and it also has the inline microphone to take calls. And also it's pretty cheap comparing to the other earphones. So that was pretty much of it guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video with your friends and your family. And I'll see you guys in the next one.